Gardens in ancient Egypt, a glimpse into nature and spirituality. Ancient Egypt was renowned for its sophisticated culture and deep connection to nature, as evidenced by the three main types of gardens documented from that era: temple gardens, private gardens, and vegetable gardens. These gardens were not only functional, but also held spiritual and aesthetic significance. Temple gardens. Temples, such as those at Deir el-Bahari, were often adorned with orchards and sacred trees, particularly the revered Ashdod tree known as the Pasi tree. These gardens were integral to religious practices, symbolizing the divine connection between the gods and nature. Private gardens of pleasure. From the 11th dynasty, private pleasure gardens became a symbol of wealth and status. These gardens, often depicted in tomb models like that of Mekhada, were enclosed by high walls and filled with lush trees, vibrant flowers, and shaded areas. They were designed for relaxation and beauty, featuring plants grown for their fruits and fragrances. Popular flowers included cornflowers, poppies, and daisies, while the pomegranate, introduced during the New Kingdom, became a favored shrub. Wealthier individuals often enhanced their gardens with ornamental ponds stocked with fish, waterfowl, and lotus plants, creating serene, picturesque spaces. Vegetable gardens. Vegetable gardens, whether privately owned or maintained by temples, were practical and essential for daily life. These gardens were typically laid out in square plots divided by irrigation channels, located near the Nile for easy access to water. Initially watered by hand, they later utilized the shaduf, a manual irrigation tool. From the late 18th dynasty onward, these gardens provided fresh produce for both sustenance and offerings. Ancient Egyptian gardens were a harmonious blend of functionality, beauty, and spirituality, reflecting the civilization's deep respect for nature and its resources. Their legacy continues to inspire modern gardening and landscape design. What should be the topic of our next video? If you enjoyed this story about my life, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.